Thank you for viewing this tour. If you would like a private showing of this home, please contact Kathy Stenson at 281-728-3948. Experience the epitome of suburban luxury at this extraordinary rental property, nestled in a peaceful cul-de-sac right in the heart of Cinco Ranch. The property features a remarkable open floor plan with a grand entry foyer and soaring ceilings, elegant crown moldings, and gorgeous solid wood flooring. Lovely island kitchen with recent stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. Huge master suite located on the first floor overlooking the beautiful pool area. 3-car tandem garage with lots of shelving. Outside, your personal oasis awaits. Delight in the beautiful pool, perfect for refreshing dips on hot days or relaxing evenings under the stars. The covered patio provides an inviting space to host gatherings or simply unwind with a book and a beverage. Plus, with no rear neighbors, your privacy is ensured. Pool maintenance included. Zone to exemplary.